Felicia Howard, how may I help you? Yes, we're open today from 11 to 5. And we do have pedophores and cupcakes. Awesome, we'll see you in a little bit. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Felicia Howard. I'm the CEO of Felicia's Cake Factory. We've been in existence for a decade now. I'm so excited and thankful for our community. My love for baking developed as I was working at the hospital as a respiratory therapist. Me and my daughter would go home some days when I was just feeling down and out, and we just started baking and decorating with some of the cookie cutters that I had there at the house. Allowed me to meet new people, hear their stories of struggle and of goodness, and it just allows me to be able to bring smiles to people's faces, and that, I think, overall is what keeps me going. So as you come into the bakery, we have a variety of different items, including different cake slice flavors. We have cheesecake cupcakes with different toppings on them. We have our strawberry shortcake cups. We have banana puddings. We've recently added bluebell ice cream to our menu, so we have that available for the holidays. We have the DIY cookie kits available. We have sweet potato pies available, and we also have our gooey bars, pedophores, and brownies available for purchase. Favorite thing to make, I would say now, is pedophores. So pedophores are little small cake squares. A lot of people in the community refer to them as cake squares. So they're just small bite-sized pieces of cake. So gives you something to enjoy that's not on a larger scale, but it's small enough so that you can enjoy and not feel guilty of it.
Cutting the pedophores, getting ready to ice them. I'll go through that process here. We're just getting the icing together to cover our delicious pedophores with.
We're also working on our custom DIY cookie kits, where we'll have sugar cookies and gingerbread cookie kits available for the community to purchase. Customers usually reach out to us either via email or via phone, or either they walk in, kind of talk with them and hear what their ideas is for their desserts, if they're having dessert tables, custom cakes, and then I take that information and just kind of recreate what it is that they're wanting. A lot of times they bring in different elements. I'm able to look and see what it is that I'm able to do. If I'm not able to do it, I'll be completely honest with them and let them know that I'm unable to complete this request form. But for the most part, the requests that people come in with, I'm able to fulfill them. So we do have a graduation cake planned for next week. The community has been great, welcoming us in. They've come through, they provided their suggestions on different items, so we are working on some new menu items for our customers, as well as our staple items that we've had